Now at the moment we are at the bank of Jheel Saif Ul Malook. This is the wonder of very majestic place for the Kaghan Valley. So we are standing here and you can see very natural and beautiful mountains on the surrounding of the lake. So it is the basically coin of the lake. You can see here very attraction for the literary people, for the artistic expression you can see in different literature and artistic work. So it is really very enjoyable and we are standing here. It is really very enjoyable weather and we are really enjoying at the moment on the bank of Jheel Saif Ul Malook. Thank you so very much. Now at the moment I am here with my friends at Jheel Saif Ul Malook. This is the very natural beauty and it is very important and very natural part of the Kaghan Valley. You can see here on the back side the Jheel Saif Ul Malook. The famous, very legendary and one of the very prominent people, Prince several the Jheel name on this lake. So people are gathered here and this is a very important part and this is the very natural site for trekking, hiking and camping for this purpose. So it is really very enjoyable weather, very natural view and very beautiful thing. You can see here on the website. Thanks so very much.